Junie tilts the mini blinds.
You're achieving love through successive approximation.
Barker elevates a sun-striped creamer into a go-cup of MJB. He's thinking St. Exupery, the wooded glen, the fox. Zeno's paradox, Junie like a spelling bee. It's an old Lexus, but the Ariel still sniffs for overtures. Driving to Idaho, snow fences stripe the road heat. Now's your namesake, Barker triple skips off the silence. Junie's tall and capable of stripping a wall to the lap.
When did you lose your faith?
Little America looms, men with dogs in their cabs. Barker has a thing for motel sewing kits and symmetry. He once weighed 2 madrigals. In bed, she says.
I am you, at rest.
He elbows her down. With the logoed pen, she writes missing on his lowest rib.
Junie places an ice bucket on his chest.
They are a day from the dinosaurs. Junie poo-poos afterlife, the notion of quarrying bones.
They have beggared stone.
He thumbs a stolen Bible. The ranger recommends fishing at Jones Hole, and every language echoes off the walls. Barker's surprised at the weight of the rocks in his pockets.
A road home, Barker smuggers an empty ashtray. The car's an age spot in the high desert. Junie reads The Art of Drowning. He remembers capturing the Horsehead Nebula with slow film and dry ice.